Quick demo of how you can apply for a PhD admission. First of all, once you enter onto the portal from advertisement or from our social media post or from anywhere, you will end up on phdadmission.cvmu.ac.in. Once you land on this portal, you need to apply for quick registration as you have not registered till now. You will click on I agree and you will select whatever faculty you want to apply to. Let me select science. Once you select, you need to fill in these details. You need to have your photos and documents handy. So here you need to type your father's name, uh, your mother's name, and if you want to add their mobile number, you can add it. Let me add any birth date. Here you will type your email. So you need to type a category. You will select the gender and what was the region of your last college. Okay, now you need to add your password, and this will be all the details which you need to submit for quick registration. You click on submit. Okay, we will upload a photo again. I think now it will submit. Okay, once it is submitted, you will receive a password and a username on your email which you have added here. So let me open the email. This is my username and password. Let me type my username. Let me type my password. Let me add the captcha. Okay, once this you can see this application, that means you are successfully logged in. Now you have just logged in into the system, into the portal. Now you need to upload all the relevant documents related to your admission specific to your faculty. So if I go to application details, you can see the basic info which I have filled, that was the first step, is already been filled. Now either I can click on any tab or I can click on save and next. Okay, I have been proceeded to tab number 2. Now these are the information which I need to write. Let me add. You need to type your caste here. If I am typing a caste, religion, if minority, you need to click on is minority, Aadhaar number, current address. Let me type CVM University, Anand, current city ANA and Anand. Okay, if permanent address is same as current address, you will select this. So basically this details will be copied here. These all these details you need to enter for further process if there is any. So please add all these details also. I am skipping this because those are not mandatory. You can add them later also. Okay, are you currently employed or not? These also details you need to enter here. I will click on save and next. Okay, that information which was mandatory has been filled. Now in this admission method there are two things, there are two sections. There is one academic section, then there is a mark sheet section. Okay, and then these are the details which are related to your publications and experience details. Okay, so now let me select admission method. You will select entrance to be conducted by CVMU. Now you will see two program levels. So for both program levels you need to have both the mark sheets which needs to be uploaded. Let me start with undergraduate program. Let me add university exam Feb 22. If there is other university, let's say I am typing other university name CVMU. Seat number, if you remember, just enter it here. Subject, let's say computer science. If your subject is your domain was Ayurveda, then you need to select this one. Total marks, let's say 100, class first 100. Okay, now here if you see there is choose file option and there is a button which says upload. Okay, now the file size should be 300 KB, which is mentioned here also, and if you see it is mentioned here also. So let us try to upload a mark sheet of PG. We are at mark sheet of UG, sorry, UG mark sheet. I will click on upload. Once upload successfully, you can see the file icon. I will upload UG certificate. I will click on upload. This is also uploaded. So this data is filled. Now I can submit this data of UG only. I click on submit. Your academic detail added successfully. Now if you see, you can see one record, okay, of UG. Now I need to do the same process for PG. Okay, university exam March 21. So here I am adding CVM University. If any other university, the process is same, which I mentioned earlier. The same process needs to be done here. You will choose file, then you will click on upload. So we are at PG. First of all, it will be PG mark sheet. I will click on upload. PG certificate. I will click on upload. So now if you see all the details have been submitted, I will click on submit. Okay, now both the details has been added here. So this section is completed. Now we will scroll to this section. I will put two dates. You need to add your dates of mark sheet date. You can check the mark sheets, relevant mark sheets. Now I will upload my SSC mark sheet. I will click on this button again to upload the file. I click on upload again. Now if if all the details are filled, you will click on save and next. It will automatically add all my details. If there is experience required, if you have selected, you have employed somewhere, then this field might be, this pop-up will say at least add one record, so you need to add your experience record here. Okay, let me add also CVMU engineer from 1 to 8, 10. I will choose file of my CV. I will click on upload and I will click on save and next. So then that pop-up will go away, which will say at least you need to add one record, and this will be successfully done. Now it will be step where some regulations are mentioned. You need to read them before you proceed. Then you click on submit, and then the payment option would come. Once you complete the payment, your application process will successfully be completed. If you have any concerns or any doubts, please mail us at akash.bhardwaj akash.bhardwaj@cvm.edu.in. Thank you everyone. Thanks.